Hello everyone, this is Payal Sehgal. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a perfect eyebrow by using two simple things that is very easily available in the market, that is a floss and a roll-on kajal pencil. I get a lot of requests regarding the same issue that people are not able to get a perfect eyebrow. Either they do it too much or it's not perfect. So I researched on this whole topic and I found out the simplest way and the easiest and the most cheapest way to get a perfect eyebrow, like a microblading thing done, is this floss.
As you can see, I've already done one of my eyebrow with the floss and the roll-on kajal pencil. I'm going to replicate the same on the other eye. I'm just blending this one first. Yes. You just need to follow these few steps and you can achieve natural looking, amazing, perfect eyebrows. First you need is this floss. And you take a kajal pencil and rub it on top of the floss thread. Any roll-on kajal pencil will do. I'm using Lakme roll-on kajal pencil. So you rub it on the thread, both side and in the middle. Yeah, you take the thread and you start putting the thread, like outlining your eyebrow, matching it to the other. Just outlining the eyebrow with the thread, just pressing it towards your skin. It will make an impression. Similarly on the top, making sure it's matching the other eyebrow. Just keep pressing it, follow your eyebrow, keep following it, yes, like that, and it will automatically make a line. You will not have to stress much on the perfection. You just need to follow your eyebrow. See, as you can see, there is a impression, and you just simply need to use a bit more the same way and match it perfectly to the other eye. Just pressing it against the skin, just making it a little more darker so that the outlining is clear. And now I'm filling the inside part. The thread is so precise that it will make the impression look like your real hair, and it looks very natural. Nobody could say that you have actually filled your eyebrow with an eyebrow pencil. It usually seems that you have actually really filled it, but with this thread it will seem that it's your natural hair. So you just keep blending it and don't worry about the extras falling out. You can clear that later with a wipe or a makeup cleanser. Just match it with the other eye and you can fix it. Just doing the same thing, matching it, pressing it against the skin, and yes, you're almost there. I find it very easy and it's very perfect, so you really don't need any kind of artist or you don't need to spend a lot of money. You can do it all by yourself. So I'm repeating these steps again to just fill it in the front. So first you slant it and press it against the screen. Yeah, like that. Keep pressing it in a slanting way, keep filling the gaps, and now in the front and straight and slant, just keep filling it like this. See, seems it's your natural hair. And now it's done. You can take off the extra, match it with the other eyebrow, take off the extra with the wipe or a makeup remover or a Q-tip, and you're all set to go. Keep filling it till the time you think you need to do more. You do not want to do more, I'm sorry. and yes, you just keep blending and keep filling. See, it looks very natural, like you have done microblading all by yourself. Yes, blending it well. And there you go. Your eyebrows are on fleek. I'm just gonna clean the extras. If you want, you can fill a bit with your eyebrow pencil. It's totally optional. It's just to fill few gaps which you cannot fill by the thread. Very lightly, but you really don't need this. If you want to avoid this, you can totally avoid it. And now I'm blending it again. So you see, it's very economical way of achieving such eyebrows and not that difficult. Just keep matching it with the other one and the same thing.
So it's
And my
natural.
eyebrows are all set. I've cleaned the extras.
You can make it look dark,
and it looks pretty natural and
on your
nice.
requirement, but
Who
this is the
knew
most
these two
natural
things can make your
way of
eyebrows
getting
look
a
so
perfect
nice and
brow
natural
with
and
very
super satisfying.
easy thing called the floss, and it will make your eyebrows look pretty natural.
I'm all set.
And you can
To
put
apply
mascara
makeup,
also, eyebrow mascara or
put some
lash
foundation,
mascara
eyeshadow,
lightly on
blush
your
on
hair so
and
that it
everything,
looks
and
a little
here I
more
go.
thicker.
I'm putting a bit of mascara so that it gives a little bit more volume to my eyebrows, and it's all set and done.
These are the brows I've done with the floss and kajal pencil, that is Lakme roll-on kajal pencil, and it looks pretty natural yet awesome. So you all can follow these simple steps and just get these two items. You really don't need to invest a lot of money. You can easily get amazing eyebrows at home just by getting a floss and a Lakme roll-on kajal pencil, and easily you can get eyebrows like this. I hope my video helped, and I will be back next time with some crazy kind of a tip again. I'll see you next time. Till then, you all stay safe and stay home. Bye.